Hello friends, hello students. Hope you're doing well and all good. In the last classes, we discussed about Python installation and installation of Anaconda. And in this class, we will discuss about basics of the Python and we'll do the coding and on Jupyter Notebook. And we will discuss about Python basics. So let's start the class. Open your Jupyter Notebook and as you can see, I've shared my screen and open your Jupyter Notebook, start programming with me. And if there are any questions, please ask. Don't hesitate in sharing my Jupyter Notebook. Share Jupyter Notebook. Now open new Python. Go to new and open Python. New notebook will open. As we discussed, we will be with the Python basics. So hashtag. First, we'll change this to Markdown and with Python basics. By changing into Markdown and by using hashtag, whatever we are writing will not be executed or it is just the brief summary. We will be getting that we are studying this in the class. Okay, okay, that's fine. Introduction. We did have discussed in the first class about what is hashtag and what is how to do commenting and what. So Python basics, and as we discussed, Python was introduced by Guruv and Sam in 1991. And Python is interpreted object oriented high level programming language. उसके बोल रही है कमीना बंद करना है वो. Now, what is the difference between compiler and executed, interpreted, executed? Now it's this is a compiler. That's the code is first compiled and then it's through the compiler and then then it is executed. While an interpreter, Interpreted code, then it is passed through an interpreter, then there's line-wise execution. Now, what is the difference between object-oriented and POP? Oops. Based on classes from objects based on functions. Example are C plus plus, comma, Java, comma, Python, and here Pascal and Python, and whatever example you think. Now we will discuss about what are variables and more information. And literal. Please also note it down in your book also. Literal. Literal. Next step, I will be explaining this, the value or information that will be stored into a variable. See, memory location which will store some values or information. See, we have using a is equal to 10 here, and then we will here a is variable. Just a is variable, and then literal. A is variable, 10 is literal. Now b is equal to hello. B is equal to hello. Since it is string, so you will use inverted commas as I have told you before also. Hashtag b is variable. Here b is variable. Hello is literal. E E R A. Oh, B. Hello will be assigned to B. Similarly, if we print A, A, we will get 10, and print B, we will get print B, we will get hello. I am discussing till here now, and this will be uploaded on my YouTube channel, Tech Bhai, and you can see it. Whatever question is there in your mind, you can ask. You are free to ask any question. If there are any doubts, I will clear them. In the next class, we will discuss about the types and the type of, and then we will discuss about the type and what are keywords or keyword, what are the rules for naming and variables, that and other things we will also. Thank you, and and bye.